All of you are going to be sharing your files with me through your Office 365 account. All of you have created one in my class previously, so you should be able to remember to log in. In order to share the files, you need to create a folder in your Office 365 account and share it with me. This is how you will do this. You'll log into your Office 365 account. You'll go to your OneDrive. I'll go back a step for you. This is what it'll look like when you log into Office 365. Click on OneDrive. At the very top, click on New. Go to Folder. In the Create a Folder name, you're going to type your name so I know whose folder it is. And you're going to hit Create. I already have a folder called my name, so let's put Kimberly. Okay, once that folder is created, you still look in your OneDrive. There's the folder I just created. Come over to the Share button. And now you need to type my email address to share that folder with me. petersonk@essex.k12.ia.us. And then you hit Send. What that does is it now has created a folder for you to share with me to put your work into. So when you create files, now I want you to go to your little waffle, go to Word. We're going to create a file to put in your folder to make sure that I receive it. In using Office 365, it will save in the cloud, so your file name is up at the top. So click on your document name and just call this Test. Come down here to your workspace, type Hello, Mrs. Peterson. So as any other assignment, you want to share your assignment with me, you'll go to the File, go to Share, go to Save As, save as a copy online. Keep it the file name Test, that's the file name we gave it. Now it says Save to another folder. Click on Save to another folder. And I'll put it in the folder you created that you shared with me. I shared Kimberly. And I hit Save. So now this file is saved in your OneDrive and is now also saved in the shared folder that you shared with me. This is how we will share your assignments, and from here I will be able to communicate with you and leave comments on your assignments with your grades. Hope this was helpful.